Good morning students, my name is Prachi Khadse and today I'm gonna tell you a story. The title of the story is The Struggle of Our Lives. But before starting our story, I want everyone to stand up for the assembly.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
So the story name is The Struggle of Our Life. So once upon a time there was a daughter. She complained to her father that her life was miserable and that she didn't know how she was going to make it. She was tired of fighting and struggling all the time. It seems just as one problem was solved, another one soon followed. Her father then took her to the kitchen. He filled 3 pots with the water and placed each on a high fire. Once the 3 pots began to boil, he placed potato in the first pot, egg in the second pot, and coffee beans in the third pot. He then let them sit and boil without saying a word to his daughter. The daughter moaned and impatiently waited, wondering what her father was doing. After 20 minutes, he turned off the burner and took the potatoes out of the pot and placed them in a bowl. He pulled the egg out and placed them in a bowl. He then ladled the coffee bean and placed it in a cup. Turning to her, he asked, "Daughter, what do you see?" "Potatoes, eggs and coffee," she replied. "That's right, but look a little bit closer," he said, and touched the potatoes. She did and noted that the potatoes were soft. He then asked her to take an egg and break it. After pulling off the shell, she observed the hard-boiled egg. Finally, he asked her to sip the coffee. Its rich aroma brought a smile on her face. She asked, "Father, what does this mean?" He then explained to his daughter that the potatoes, the eggs and the coffee bean had each faced the same diversity, the boiling water. However, each one reacted differently. The potato went in strong, hard and unrelenting, but in boiling water it became soft and weak. The egg was fragile with the thin layer over outer shelf, protecting its liquid interior until it was put into a boiling water. Then the outside of the egg became hard. However, the grounded coffee bean were unique. After they were exposed to the boiling water, they changed the water and created something new. "Which one are you?" he asked his daughter. So, what do you understand by the story? The moral of the story is, in life things happen around us. Things happen to us, but the only thing that truly matters is how you choose to react on it and what you make out of it. You know, according to the psychiatrist Viktor Frankl, under every situation and circumstances lies a underlying meaning. In his essay, he shares his insight that the real question is what we are going to do with that meaning. Everything can be taken away from a human being, but the way you react to the things that happens to you is something you can control. So, life is all about learning, adopting, and converting all the struggles that we experience into something new. When adversity knocks on your door, how do you respond? Are you a potato, an egg, or a coffee bean? So, student, you have to decide how you have to fight with the struggles and the problem in your life. I'm sure every problem comes with the solution. Even the word impossible means I am possible if you take it in a positive way. So I hope this story will make you learn something new and will take you to more positive way or to see the more positive things in the life and to fight with a good spirit or whatever problems you are suffering in the life. So have a great day and thank you for giving your time to me. So before ending this, I want everyone to get ready for your next activity.
आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है फॉरवर्ड जंप, फॉरवर्ड लंगी विद द जंप. हाँ, फॉरवर्ड लंगी विद द जंप. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू. मैं आपको भी करके दिखाऊंगा. फर्स्ट आपको ऐसे खड़े रहना है, फिर पोजीशन लेके जंप आगे करना है. लेकिन जब आप जंप करते हो तो आपका राइट या फिर लेफ्ट, हम पहले राइट लेग से करेंगे. राइट लेग हमारा एयर में आना चाहिए. ओके, सो आई विल शो यू. फर्स्ट तो ये पोजीशन का आपका बैलेंस होना चाहिए. देन ओके, रिलैक्स. फिर से मैं करके दिखाऊंगा आपको. पोजीशन, देन हमारा बॉडी कैसे बैलेंस होना चाहिए. ओके, सो यू डू एट योर होम. थैंक यू. स्टूडेंट, आज जो हम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं वो है एक्सरसाइज फॉर द लेग एंड वेस्ट. इससे आपके बॉडी में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज होगी. सो फर्स्ट आई विल शो यू. फर्स्ट आपको फ्लोर पर से बैठना है, लेग स्ट्रेच करके. ये हो गई आपकी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. हैंड्स ऑन योर वेस्ट. ओके, देन 1 क्लोज, 2 ओपन. इजी है लेकिन आपको ये करना जरूरी है. इससे आपके बॉडी में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज होती है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, नाउ स्टैंड अप. स्टूडेंट, आज जो हम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं वो है हमारे बॉडी का, हम बॉडी फ्रॉम अ टेबल. टेबल बनाने की हम जो है वो कोशिश करेंगे. जो टेबल का पोजीशन रहता है तो हम वैसे बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट आपको ओरिजिनल पोजीशन लेना है. ओके, सिट लाइक दैट. ऐसे बैठना है. हैंड्स आगे बैक रहेंगे, नीज आगे. देन स्लोली स्लोली अप करना है. जितना आप अप कर सकते हो बॉडी को, स्ट्रेट ऐसे करना है. बैलेंस करना है. रिलैक्स. ओके, अगेन स्लोली अप, रिलैक्स, देन स्टैंड अप. थैंक यू. स्टूडेंट, आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है होल्डिंग द बॉडी इंक्लाइंड पोजीशन। ओके, नाम याद रखेंगे, होल्डिंग द बॉडी इंक्लाइंड पोजीशन। सो आई विल शो यू। फर्स्ट यू विल गो डाउन, सिट लाइक दैट, आपको ऐसे बैठना है। फिर 1 काउंट पर आपको हैंड्स पीछे करना है। ओके, 2 में अप, 3 डाउन, 4. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then stand up. Thank you.